So Sheikh, I know that shaking hands with women is not permissible. Now my question is, sometimes we face situations where someone extends their hands towards us, for example, a female teacher. Now how do we escape from this situation? Do we tell them that it's haram, or should we make other excuses?
First of all, you have to always keep your distance from women. You cannot be this close to a woman where she extends her hands and then you ask, what should I do? Sometimes they may jump on you and kiss you. In some cultures, it's normal for women to kiss on the cheek. Men, they meet, like in Spain or in the like. So it's cultural. There's no problem in that. So you as a man, when you come to encounter the opposite gender due to school, due to work, due to buying something in a store, keep your distance from far away, 2-3 meters. Don't get so close so that you cannot escape. If you're 2-3 meters, she would not walk extending her arm or hand to shake hands. She'll just nod. In worst case scenario, somebody of the opposite gender extends their hand. Is it permissible to shake hands? The answer is no. Why are you hesitant in rejecting it? Oh, Sheikh, it's embarrassing. Embarrassing to who? To the poor lady. If I don't reach out, if I don't shake hands, if I don't touch her, she might be offended. Okay, and if you don't offend her and you do shake hands, what are the consequences? Oh, Sheikh, I may be thrown into hell and Allah will punish me and torment me for that. Okay. What's gonna be? What are you gonna choose? Hell or offending her? Definitely, it's no brainer. Simply just keep your hand to yourself and say, pardon me, this is against my religion. I can't shake hands with the opposite gender. Full stop. Whoever is offended is offended. The hell with them, with all due respect. I do not want to go to hell. If they want to be offended, be my guest. Who cares? They have their culture, I have my religion. Who's proud of his belief more, you or them? This is something you have to pay attention to.